picture.
Okay.
These are both inserted branches.
What if you use a, what if you, yeah, you like use a picture of a different model, but like put it at that one?
Okay.
That one is
Oh, see?
Perfect.
You can just twist like
It's
this.
better. Of course.
You go, Jenna.
Okay, guys. Now in the back here, that's popliteal vein that we didn't see.
Wait, which one?
In the back here, this is the popliteal fossa. The back of the knee is called popliteal fossa. That's popliteal vein.
This one?
Yeah. In the upper thigh here,
It's this.
Where's the artery?
The blue one.
Does the
Yeah.
vein,
Oh, behind
is
the
the
knee.
vein only
Yes.
shown on here?
So where did
The red
you
and
go?
Oh, I think the femoral is.
okay. You see here how this is the sartorius muscle. You see the femoral vein, femoral artery and femoral vein.
Wait, what?
It's not all the way up there.
Yeah.
These are the ones on top of.
So femoral is blue, which one's the red one?
They're both
Artery. What is the blue is the vein and the red is the artery.
Artery. Femoral
Oh,
vein and
femoral, oh,
artery.
okay,
Femoral is the blue one and the other one.
Arteries red, yeah. But they're both femoral, basically.
Okay, but just different arteries.
It's not so
Yeah,
bad.
but like this is the one part where
How am I
this is
supposed to
bent.
learn?
Why can you-
Anyway, that's the hidden popliteal vein.
Which one?
Got it.
One in the back of the knee.
Oh, yeah.
So it will not be an artery, it'll be a vein. Right? Or can it be an artery?
The blue is vein, but
Okay.
it's very hard to see.
Mm-hmm.
Where's it?
External and internal iliac
It's on.
It's above,
Sorry,
You can-
external one. Above that.
like you
Not
see
seen in
where the
the blue,
femoral
yeah.
starts?
Yes.
Okay, so right above, that's like the different, like it's above
You
that
can't-
the little dip
the previous picture that mentioned.
is what separates the femoral from the iliac.
But you can't.
So
see
that's
that
why
model.
it doesn't show on that model.
Got it.
Because that would, yeah, that would be the iliac region where it goes through. Yeah.
Okay, guys, anterior tibial artery on this page here. Anterior tibial artery. This one is actually here. You have to remove this muscle to see deeper here.
So that one's anterior?
So it's where the tibial muscle existed. Right?
You see the
point at it?
anterior muscle? It's just next to it. It's running next to it. Anterior tibial artery.
So it's right under that.
Yes, you know, then you
But it's
just.
not
say
really
he's
on
gonna
the
remove
test.
that.
I'm going to change it.
Okay, yeah.
Well, you're
So that
gonna
one's
change it?
anterior?
Yeah.
Is it so
Oh, okay, so you're not gonna put it?
There's a muscle covering it.
It's
So
okay.
you're not gonna put it?
It's okay.
You can leave it.
I can leave it.
Yeah.
It was
You
already
give
so
Wait.
How about the rest of the class?
It's their fault, they don't want to stay.
I know it's their fault.
They would make time, Professor.
We're the nurses that will stay like 24-hour shifts.
So,
So you're not gonna put that one?
I told you this
I don't think
model.
so.
What page is that on?
This model you need to know.
You-
You need to know
Yeah,
everything
it's-
here. Of course, everything for me to be satisfied. That's adrenal gland. That's the adrenal cortex, right?
Yes.
And this is a pyramid or medulla. Pyramid, medulla, pyramid, 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 pyramid. This is the papilla, renal papilla, renal papilla, renal papilla. And now, this is minor calyx. This papilla has minor calyx. Minor and the minor, they join to make major calyx. The major calyx is joined, all major to make renal pelvis. This is renal pelvis, and this is renal ureter. This is renal artery, this is renal vein. This is renal ureter, the white cavity. So there is minor calyx, and minor calyx they join to make major. All major join to make renal pelvis. Renal pelvis narrows down to become the renal ureter.
And the renal artery and vein.
We need to know the renal.
Do you see the heart?
There are
Please.
a lot of arts.
A lot of hearts?
Oh no.
Alright,
Oh no.
this one?
This is the smaller,
Yeah.
that is the glomerulus. From the glomerulus, this is proximal convoluted tubule. It's going down. Going down to loop of Henle, 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 loop of Henle. Now, distal convoluted tubule. This is a distal convoluted tubule ending here. So, know that glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, U-shape, and then distal convoluted tubule.
Check this out.
Know these spots.
Okay, can you just repeat that one more time? No, the
Glomerulus,
This one, this one.
proximal convoluted tubules.
The one that goes
The
out.
proximal ends by beginning of loop of Henle, U-shape. And then at the end of loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubules. And then this is collecting duct. This is collecting duct. That's everything in the slide.
The glomerulus, you know, like
The
this
model.
stuff right
Yeah.
here.
What about the renal?
Mhm.
How this is glomerulus, it's the same thing, glomerulus.
Because
So this right here, the beginning of this, like this big old thing, this is proximal. So right here,
and
proximal convolute, just put proximal
If
to
I, if I
just
put
think
in
of like the
exam,
beginning, right when it
distal, I
starts.
put it
right?
far away here.
Okay.
If I put proximal, I
Just
put
put
it
proximal.
next to that.
So then this right here, you know how it's like a loop?
Okay.
That's loop of Henle, which is obviously
Loop of Henle is
self-explanatory.
So it's easy.
And it's any of them, right?
You get
This
how
one
it's
is
like a
collecting
U-turn,
duct. That's
loop
easy
of
as well.
Henle.
Yeah.
And
Where did you
then
say the end?
this is right here, the end of it. You know how this is the beginning? This is the end of it. This is distal.
Some of them.
So distal
Where does it
to
start?
Some questions are.
Where does it
It's just the
go?
end. It's just the end of it.
Let me ask you.
Of the
Professor,
white,
before
yeah,
you
like
go
of the
on,
white stuff.
Then back to the kidney, I know
And then
the,
where's the collecting duct?
so I know these are the
This-
pyramids,
this
but I know the
one.
medulla is from the top to the bottom.
Because you said that, I
Are you
remember
gonna
one of
be
the
able to like
videos I watched,
distinguish?
he
The
said
pyramids
these
make
little
up the
tubules are nephrons.
But it's like
But
how
this is the
you-
collecting duct.
the
Okay,
medulla
thank
is
you
very
so much.
flat.
So if you see that the tape is the number on the pyramid, you can choose pyramid or medulla, whichever word you find in the word bank.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
So it would, oh, okay, so it could be either or?
Okay, so
Okay.
pyramid, the renal pyramid is also called a renal medulla.
Yes.
Okay, so
But
that's a
according
good
to the,
answer.
oh yeah, here you have renal medulla, renal pyramid. They are the same.
Oh, okay, so they're the same, okay.
But we want like,
Like, it's
so
easy.
is are both of those answers gonna be on the paper?
You would say choose either or, right? Yes, it is.
Okay, the renal medulla or pyramid will not be in the exam.
Ooh.
But you need to know minor calyx, major calyx, and renal pelvis.
Okay.
And you need to know cortex. And medulla is a pyramid. In general, know where is the medulla.
So just
Person
these
does not know where the medulla
cortex
is. It's a
is
pyramid.
minor,
Yeah.
major, renal.
Yeah.
Pyramid.
So,
Yay.
Just
I know
because
minor
the
is like the beginning, right?
So,
of
I didn't
the-
understand it either, but that makes
The
sense.
outside, right?
So
Yes, the cortex.
these little horns,
Yeah, it's still the same.
you see like little
Yeah,
pips?
oh, like the ends of it.
Little pips?
Just
Is
because the
minor.
capsule.
These are the minors, the little points, the little horns,
So this,
the little horns. Yeah, little horns are the minor calyx, right? Okay. They both form right here. You see right here? They
so is
both
it just
form.
like the space?
Yeah, you see this space right here where they come together right here?
Yeah.
That's your major colon.
Oh, okay, so like the whole space
That's
is major, and then even here,
So
right?
where's the major?
Yeah,
This?
that little space.
The
They
one that you
come
call-
together like this. And then this huge
Is the
thing
renal
is where
pelvis.
everything. Mhm.
Okay, okay,
Neck.
I get that.
Yeah, this one's the renal pelvis. Yeah, I didn't understand it either. But it's
Of
just
course,
like
you know
separate
how
little
these
layers.
exist, right? That's what I know these are. Mons pubis, right?
Fallopian, uterine tube,
Fallopian tube, what is this?
Ovary.
Ovary.
What is this?
uterus,
Uterus.
Uterus. What is this?
Vagina.
oh,
What is,
The yellow?
That's
what is
the
this?
morbus
What
corpus.
is this?
labia minor,
Oh,
Mhm.
What is this?
cervix.
Cervix.
And I guess that's it.
Wait, I have a question.
and no myometrum.
And
Okay,
Number.
okay, what is this?
myometrum.
Myometrum, what is this one?
Endometrium.
Endometrium. Okay, when we come here, we will see again the same thing of the different model. What is this?
Uterus.
What is this?
Uterine tube,
No,
uterine tube,
uterine tube, and this,
ovary,
ovary. This,
uterus,
uterus. This part here,
Myometrium.
endometrium,
oh,
cervix. This,
vagina.
vagina.
Oh my god.
Question.
It's the ovarian
Liga
tube,
majora,
you
liga
said?
minor, liga majora,
It
liga
is,
minor.
but then it's like, are you gonna be pointing at the inside or you're gonna be
Which
pointing
one
at
is
the
the
whole
broad
thing?
ligament?
Because that's where I get confused.
You just have to ask him at that point.
The broad ligament's the yellow thing.
Is it this one or this one?
Richard, there's your answer. She said the broad ligament is the yellow thing.
You see this big yellow
What is
space
this?
right here?
Yeah, so that's what you have.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so it is
What
that
is
one.
this?
Vagina.
Vagina. What is this?
Broad
And
ligament.
here, here, and here.
So there's,
Broad
Wait, so
ligament.
the thing,
but
yeah,
there.
he said, no, he said the thing is the
Broad
vagina.
ligament.
Down there?
Yeah,
But no, what is the, can you show us the vagina again? Sorry.
For the bottom one, the
No,
bottom
the
model.
second one. Yeah,
The very first one?
No, the
the
bottom
second
model, the second model at the bottom.
where the cervix is.
This
The,
one?
Yeah, yeah.
Here is the vagina.
okay.
Cervix open into vagina.
Dang,
This is the upper part of the
Rosa's
vagina.
right, we're over
The
here
deepest part of
questioning
the
her.
vagina.
man,
Do you see how next to the lateral wall of the uterus there is broad ligament here and here? Now this is ovary, this is uterine tube, here, this is uterine tube, this is ovary.
Professor, I have a question.
wait, what's the middle?
You know, like it says,
Wait, the
like
whole
literally
thing
that
is
question down
ovary?
there says trace the path
Are we
of an
ovary?
egg cell, like, is
Ask
it
him
gonna
on that
literally
side.
go into that depth of like a question?
There is the what?
It says like towards the bottom right there, trace the path of an egg cell from the
Ask him a
ovary.
question before we move on.
There is the path of the egg cell from the ovary to exit.
Is that just like,
It will enter into fallopian tube, cavity of the uterus, vagina to the outside.
He's asking if that would be a question on the lab.
like a question's gonna be like that extreme of it? Well, I don't want to say extreme.
Like that long where you have to put the entire system?
I don't know. But I mean, you know, on the first exam,
It will.
It will.
what do you guys?
You're lying.
Can you repeat that?
It goes to ovary, uterine tube.
The bottom, trace the path of an egg cell from the ovary to the egg cell, of the body, so they don't
You just finger it.
It just goes, it's the ovaries, the uterine tube,
I mean, it's not
somewhere in
hard.
the uterus, and then it poops out.
But it's just.
Maybe we have to write it down next to it, like,
No,
Can you just-
this one, there is no function.
It's just a function?
For uterine tube, no function. But for the vagina, it needs another function.
Oh, just
So
a
then I guess
function.
that's how you
What's
know.
the function?
What'd you guys put?
It's
For
to,
passageway for blood.
it's for reproduction, and
How about that? We said it is copulatory organ, it is birth canal, it is.
Okay, so you only have to put one thing
You
in.
could just put
No, you need
reproduction.
to put everything. We
Everything.
said vagina is copulatory organ of the female. It is the birth canal, and also menstrual blood, menstruation leaves through the vagina, leaves the body through the vagina.
So we have to put all three.
Yes,
that's needed,
A
because it's a
complementary organ?
No, it's on
copulatory
the,
organ. Copulation means.
it's on the
How
lecture
much
notes.
time are we gonna get?
Compliment.
Copulation, what?
How much time are we gonna get? Other
What,
questions?
that's not easy.
Complimentary.
Cory.
So for vagina, I have
Like this.
road and sex,
Complementary.
menstruation, and pregnancy and childbirth.
Yeah.
Say it
I
again.
think that,
What,
Grazer road and sex,
Complementary.
menstruation, pregnancy, and childbirth.
Which is true, which
So all
is
those,
the
I have to go out, okay.
Yeah, so this is.
Would you say complimentary what? Organ?
Copulatory. Copulation means sex intercourse.
I think he might be in the.
C-O-P-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Copulation means intercourse. Is that plain English?
Oh, copulation.
Copulation.
never-
Medical terminology? I didn't know that.
No, that's like way beyond us.
Yeah, that is not.
That's a lot.
It's not plain English?
That's
No.
a lot.
Professor, the thing that before you were okay with only one function, but this one you want like three functions or four functions.
This is why we get bad grades.
It's right
Organ,
here.
birth.
Birth canal and then organ of copulation.
Oh, copulate. Hold on.
No, we said just the
Copulation.
Okay, guys, I'll let you also know that
Organ
for
of
blood
birth.
vessels,
And then what was the
it's always saying
Menstruation.
what are the
Like the
branches.
period.
That's
Like,
it.
I think
identify
so.
the artery.
And
what are the
menstruation. Yeah,
branches.
that's what
I
it
think
said.
for menstruation.
It gives what and what. Like if it is subclavian, then you need to know that it gives after that
To the
Axillary.
axillary and the brachial and the radial and ulnar. If it is brachial, you need to know that it gives radial and ulnar.
Okay. But they're clear, like they're clear where to point.
Yes.
So what,
It's only
like, which artery
Wait, can you
is
repeat
this and
that?
which one follows? Pretty much, like.
Pretty much.
You need to know it, right? So clear, axillary, brachial.
Is it this
Like which one will follow, but we have to put the whole thing all the way to the fingers? Or we have to put the whole thing? No.
So the subclavian goes to the axillary,
What is
left
wrong?
axillary.
Okay.
The arm one?
This one, right?
Yeah.
So it's
Oh,
like-
Also this.
That's only like one point, that's not even
What does
worth
the
writing all that
where
for
does
one
that go
point.
after?
So,
the
you have to
left
do.
disorder.
Oh, so you have to know like
Yeah.
axillary.
Axillary,
Yeah.
brachial, and then radial and ulnar.
So just know this.
But
the
like
bottom.
in a minute and a half, we're gonna be like scribbling.
I know.
here.
How are you
Wait,
doing that?
Professor, for
And then
real.
that's gonna be hard for you to grade.
Like A for artery.
Can we get a second round?
Are you gonna do like the first one or
2
the second?
minutes and then 30 seconds.
Yes.
second.
After,
If we
yeah.
have to do that, yes.
Cause they give us like, if we need to write something out, we
Yeah.
have another chance to write, or erase or correct.
Yeah.
Why can't we just name the vein?
This is all we, this is
Why
all
not just name them
The
like,
whole thing.
like the structure,
It's
it's not
probably
like
because
where
they're
they
in
go
function.
to.
Oh, you mean no second question?
Yeah. Fill in.
Plus, it would be better for you to
Or
see
at
how
least
much
just
to
know the
think
next
about.
one.
Yeah.
We like the multiple choice only.
You mean no, you need, you mean to know all of them?
It would be easier if they did like only instead of a whole word bank, like A, B, C, D.
That's so confusing, like
I
A, B,
think time
word
is
bank is
wasted looking
confusing.
for the answer.
It is.
Even
And
they
then-
put the similar with wrong spelling.
Yes.
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 It's so dumb.
Yeah, that's
That's
messed up,
retarded.
Professor.
I know.
So Professor, can you let us know?
They're setting us up for failure.
Like,
I don't need to know how to spell to save my life.
Me neither.
Yeah.
Especially Latin.
Like I didn't even think I need glasses
So
until I
if
went
this
there,
is,
and then everything
this
was
is,
like mushy.
this is myometrium, this is myometrium, this is blood ligament, myometrium, cervix, vagina, myometrium. That's fetus here. Yeah, that's pregnancy already. Okay, that's uterus means there was a fetus inside.
So uterus would be the inner
Said
one.
it 3 times, so it might be on test.
Why we don't have slides for the
Yes,
reproductive system?
we do.
Oh my gosh, I'm so.
Can you show me?
Okay.
Oh,
Very nice.
missing. That's
Wait,
why.
what?
Can I see your page?
Oh, I don't have that page either. They left it out. I don't have that page.
Yeah, mine is like gone.
So you all don't have it?
No,
I don't have it either. Oh.
I don't have it. Maybe we should not use these.
Are those also on there?
My lab manual ends at 8.
Of course.
this one?
Mine
It's
is
right in
at
the last
8.
Of course. What is the slide at the top?
Testes.
Ovary.
Seminiferous tubules.
Wait, I don't.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, repeat that.
So, wait, what? That's not the.
Wait, why do only
Seminiferous
some
tubules are inside the testes.
Repeat that?
Can you repeat that again, please?
These are the seminiferous tubules. That's how they look like.
That's what?
And that's
Seminefras tubule.
It's not even hard.
Why mine is cut? Where's the rest of it?
No.
It's the what?
You have it in there.
Is that word on it?
Yeah,
What
it's
he
not-
said?
Wow,
It's not
wow,
here.
that's-
I don't have
that's
this,
good.
the,
You don't have this one either?
Oh, it says this here, right?
is that PG?
It's
Is it
seven.
PG? Oh,
I
seven.
found
Oh,
it.
the rest of the class. I don't know why.
Yeah, I have this one, I don't have eight, I mean.
Anyways, I'll take this one. So,
Oh, this one?
this is the seminefras tubules under the microscope, inside the testis. And this is the sperm. Head, midpiece, and tail. Sperm, 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 sperm. And this is the follicle. The follicle.
Where?
All of that is one follicle. This is the oocyte. Here is the oocyte inside, and the corona radiata. These cells are called the corona radiata around the oocyte. The whole thing is a follicle, one follicle. This is the oocyte. It's very clear under the microscope, in the exam. It's very clear. It's like that.
So
So the
Professor,
pointer, the tip of the pointer is either to the whole thing, follicle. Here, oocyte. Here, small cells called corona radiata. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't have this page.
Oh, so this one's on here.
so follicle is the whole thing.
This one's on the exam.
You're the one that needs to study.
I don't have to study that.
I just looked at the table you did.
No, no.
Right around.
Just like.
I'm just keep in mind that there is this page.
I don't have that page either.
Wait,
Yeah, I just showed it to you. This slide is
Did you label
important.
it?
I didn't label that.
These
first
are
one.
3 microscopic slides.
He just said that one was.
They are all important.
The seminiferous, you want me to make
But
a
nothing
copy of
else?
this? That's it,
No.
that's all he said.
So, Professor, for this one, you only just said it's a
Seminefras tubules.
That's it.
What about the interstitial cells? No.
They are in between.
In between,
The white?
the white part,
The cortex?
Give it to me. Okay.
I'm starting.
Okay, here.
So what you're saying is that the only blood vessels are gonna be the arm?
you said there's a lot of questions for the heart, Professor?
Do you see how every seminefras tubule is circled like that?
Yeah.
If there are cells in between, these are called interstitial cells.
That's the fluid
Where is the light coming from? You see, in between, one seminefras, one in between that seminefras tubule, seminefras interstitial cells. Any cells in between the circles is called interstitial cells. Inside the periphery are spermatogonia, mother cell or stem cell for the sperm. In the inside is the sperm.
Oh, the inside is a sperm, I like part. Inside wall.
But the view is seminefras tubules. That's how they look like. These are seminefras tubules.
The circle.
The circles, yes.
And that's how it looks on the.
Yes, it looks exactly like this.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. This is
Okay.
this is what he said, that this is the slide that they're using. So he basically said.
Male reproductive. What is this?
That's the blood.
Urinary bladder, it will be inside. What is this?
The
Okay.
prostate.
The prostate.
Look at pancreas.
In the back, what is this?
Jack, the
Seminal
toric
vesicles. What is this?
That's the
What is this?
epididymis.
Epididymis. That's the penis.
What about the gland?
What about the glands? Yeah,
This is the seminal, this is the prostate, and this is the seminal vesicle in the back. This is the ejaculatory duct.
The top?
No,
The
the
important
opening.
ejaculatory duct.
in between.
This is the prostatic urethra. It receives the ejaculatory duct.
It's a tip right there.
In this slide, I cannot see the vast difference, but
Yeah.
here,
It's
Now,
number 8.
look at this slide.
Number 8 on that one.
This is a testis, right?
Yeah,
What is this?
Epididymis.
Epidemic.
What is this?
that's your vas
Number
deferens.
four. Here, after it enters the body, what is number 3? All of that.
I don't know.
Vas deferens. It splits from a spermatic cord. Vas deferens,
That's a spermatic.
spermatic cord. Of course, here it is vas deferens inside spermatic cord. But here is spermatic cord, spermatic cord. Do you see number 5?
Yeah.
Seminal vesicle. Do you see number 4? The end of the of vas deferens dilates, we call it ampulla of vas deferens. When the vas deferens and the duct of seminal vesicle number 5, when they join, they make number 6, ejaculatory duct. It opens into prostatic urethra. This is the prostate. This is the prostate, number 7. Number 6, ejaculatory duct. Number 3, vas deferens. Number 5, seminal vesicle. Number 1, testis. Number 2, epididymis.
Where was the urethra?
It's going
The
through.
penis. The penis, the opening.
Oh, that's.
Okay, number 6 is the ejaculatory duct, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
No problem.
Number
Number
5.
6 is ejaculatory duct. This is Goldberg's gland.
Oh,
Oh, complex.
This is
The
ejaculatory duct.
volvus.
So 2.
Bulbourethral gland.
And the urethra is the.
Number 8 is bulbourethral gland.
Bulbourethral gland.
Number
Number 8.
13.
Oh, number 8. I said 2.
Number 13 is the glands.
It does sound.
Yes, that's the glands of the penis. And this is the urethra.
What was the
Benign spongy urethra.
The glands.
Number 12.
Oh, yeah.
Number 13 is the glands of the penis. Number 12
Urethra.
is spongy, corpus spongiosum.
Oh.
Number 9 is penile urethra or spongy urethra.
Is that a word? Is that a word we need to know?
Okay? Now, how about this one?
I don't see, you said spongy,
No, we don't have to know it.
Spongy
oh,
urethra.
because it's not on here.
Yeah.
Is that
I got confused right now.
Is that model there?
It's just called urethra. Yes, we have this
Oh, it's
model.
just called urethra?
We have
Pouch?
Yeah, just urethra.
Is the bulbo thing on here? The bulbourethra on here? Bulbo.
You said it was 8.
In this
It will
model.
not be in the exam.
It won't.
no.
It's very small. I just showed it to you. It's not worth it. It's not in the exam. It's very
Thank
small.
you.
Yeah, I didn't mean.
Now, what is this?
The testis.
What is this? Epididymis. What is that? No, spermatic cord. Vein, artery, nerve, and vas deferens. Now, on the top of what is that? The bladder. So what is that here?
Vas
That is
deferens.
vas deferens. What is this?
Prostate.
Prostate. Then what is that
Vesicle.
here? Seminal vesicle.
So the whole thing would be.
So on this model, this is a prostate, this is a seminal vesicle, this is a vas deferens. This is testis, epididymis.
Okay.
That'll be on the test, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's different.
Testes, epididymis.
Testis, epididymis. Spermatic cord. Now, this one is vas deferens. This one is seminal vesicle. This one is prostate.
Where is that spermatic cord in?
I know, I don't
I don't think it's on there because
It's
you're
not on
really
the
chicken.
manual. Wouldn't have it
Then
on the
you
lab.
don't need to
Just,
know it.
just.
But you have to know that vas deferens is the tail of the epididymis and it enters the body inside the spermatic cord.
Oh, okay, so the vas deferens is in the spermatic.
I mean, because it's missing here, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist in the body.
Got it.
How does it enter the pelvic cavity? Through spermatic cord. Running in the inguinal canal. They are not giving you the detailed information. And it's not really detailed, it's still kind of basic. You didn't go into details yet.
Where is the ejaculatory duct? I'm sorry. Oh wait, it's number 6.
Yeah.
I see it here. Never mind. Just remember.
Number 6.
Got it.
Here is the bulbourethral gland or Cowper's gland. Okay?
Would it be clear what the urethra and the glands would be on the exam? Like, when you have like the tag on the exam, will it be clear, like, which is which? Like, what it's clearly pointing to?
Yeah, the tip of the arrow. Usually, use the tape with an arrow. You are asking about the tip of the arrow, usually.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to see what we missed.
What about the heart?
Yeah.
You want the brain again? No?
No. Same question.
Digestible. What's that? Ileocecal valve. This is ascending colon, descending colon.
When they ask about transfers,
Transverse is across, right?
yeah.
Yeah, it's going sideways, but it's not present here.
How about the duodenum, the green tubing?
Of course,
To the
but it's
stomach.
not shown here.
Yeah.
This is the duodenum here.
Yeah.
This is the duodenum.
The what?
Duodenum, of course you need to know the duodenum.
Oh, the door.
This model, what's kind of green, it's not dark image.
Maybe zoom in more.
You think more light would make it better?
The quality.
Oh, maybe
Is
it's
that
not just
light
the
here?
brightness, no. I think you could.
Oh, over there, that's light.
It's a little bit, I have to go in there.
Or no.
No, but not light. There's no light bulb, there's a light bulb.
That's green.
I have to pack.
You want like that?
It's green, it's the
I know
image
you
is not
mentioned
shown.
something.
I think that's
Okay,
good.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Stressing. What is it?
I'll try the,
Honestly, I don't think for this light study
What is
on
green?
the exam.
It doesn't work.
It's just too, you can't show. Because I was using this, I was like, I can't even see on my phone.
I think this is the,
Yeah, you can kind of see the colors.
okay, here, this is the nasal cavity. Now the nasal cavity, what is this?
Oral pharynx.
Nasal
Pharynx.
pharynx.
Oh, nasal pharynx.
Oral pharynx.
Now, laser.
Nasal pharynx.
Nasal pharynx. This is oral pharynx, this is the tongue, then here is oral pharynx. This is the larynx, then this is
The esophagus.
No, the
The ringo.
larynx, the laryngopharynx.
It's all the pharynx.
The bottom here is
Esophagus.
behind the
Trachea.
larynx and trachea, behind the trachea.
epiglottis.
Behind the, behind the what?
Epiglottis.
Behind the trachea, larynx and the trachea begins.
Esophagus.
So here is esophagus in the back, posterior.
What are you saying?
Isn't it correct?
How about the
Well,
vocal
that's
box?
Two different twos.
The vocal box is that little
It's
circle with the crack.
nose, nasal.
So where's the?
Or
larynx?
oral.
Yeah.
I know the
This
larynx.
is,
I know the breathing is the larynx.
There's a trachea.
And does Professor, does also the glottis, the vocal
Larynx
box?
and then the trachea over here.
So that's gonna be a question,
Oh,
cause
esophagus.
is there gonna be one or the
it's
other?
not, but it's called glottis as well.
Below it, he said below it.
This is this model here of the tongue.
Is it esophagus?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
What is this gland?
Sublingual.
Sublingual.
Submandibular.
Okay. What is
Parachute.
parotid gland?
Parotid.
So these are the three glands. Okay.
Which one is
Sublingual,
important?
submandibular, parotid.
Mhm.
Do we have to know like the fundic region and that kind of thing?
You do, but
But like, will it be like a sticker on it? Like this,
This is the same, it's the same model that we covered. So this is nasopharynx, oropharynx, this is the larynx, and here is the esophagus.
Oh no, you're
Between
right.
oropharynx and the esophagus, there is the laryngopharynx, behind the larynx, laryngopharynx. Now, on this one, what is this?
Small
intestine.
intestine.
Small intestine. So if I'm putting here, that's ileum. If I'm putting here, jejunum. The upper, if you go like that, the upper left triangle is jejunum. The lower right triangle is ileum. Why? Because it's near ascending colon here.
because you can't see duodenum on there, right?
You cannot see duodenum here.
It's on the back.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it's hidden. And this is stomach, of course, and this is transverse colon.
Transverse.
This one is transverse colon.
Okay, I still have a question about the trachea. What's below the trachea?
That's a bronchial trachea.
What do you mean below the trachea? The posterior you mean or
Right
below?
there, like on that one.
There is no trachea here. We have larynx only.
Oh,
What you mean what's inferior to the larynx? Trachea.
It's inferior to the trachea.
what's inferior to the
There is
trachea?
nothing inferior. It ends by dividing into right primary bronchus, left primary
There's
bronchus.
a bronchial trachea.
It's
Each
two
bronch-
tubes.
each bronchus
One of them's
contains
right here,
four.
one
Then
of
what goes to the stomach?
The esophagus.
So that's the back.
No, see, there's a green and then
That's
there's
that
the
section.
pink.
Front to back.
Okay, so the back,
Oh,
the
that's the
posterior
spinal
one
cord?
is where the esophagus is.
Yeah, it goes
No,
through.
you're
You
saying the
see the
vertebrae,
vertebral
not the
bodies?
vertebra.
Vertebral bodies?
That's,
Yeah.
yeah.
There is pharynx,
Which is
and
food.
then beginning of esophagus, right anterior to vertebral bodies,
Okay,
and posterior to trachea. So the trachea would be here.
so
The
this is
posterior
all the
trachea-
pharynx. The
No.
entire,
The
what?
pharynx is only the back part of the pink. The green is the larynx, and then go down is the trachea, and that goes to the lungs basically.
So pharynx
So the front is
behind,
breathing,
right?
and then the back is
Yeah.
what's gonna be the food.
Okay,
The
larynx and
pharynx, the
pharynx.
larynx is
So,
behind the
This
trachea.
is between the vertebra and the
This whole
pharynx.
pink
Yeah.
thing is the larynx, like the
Oh, the front is
oral
the
one, the
pharynx,
nasal
and
one,
then
the other one.
Yeah, the pharynx.
This
And then the
is
front-
larynx, this is
Like,
larynx,
little
and
squares
then
is
we
the
have the
vertebra.
trachea.
And
This
then-
one has, this one has air, this one is food.
And the epiglottis basically is like pinball, right?
Yeah, the one that goes like.
Have you played pinball? You know when you push the thing like this? Basically, the epiglottis
Okay,
is
guys.
there to prevent, like,
Yeah.
to make sure the right things are on the right place.
And that's in the larynx.
Yeah. I think you're just concentrating too much.
Okay, on this slide,
I just want to figure
of
that
course,
out.
that is showing the stomach. This is the cardiac sphincter, that's the esophagus, cardiac sphincter, fundic region, body region, pyloric region, and then pyloric sphincter, same thing. Fundic region, body region, pyloric region. That's cardiac sphincter or cardia, that's pyloric sphincter. Same thing on this one, esophagus here, cardiac sphincter, fundic region, body region, pyloric region, and then pyloric sphincter.
What about the heart?
This is duodenum. This model is just duodenum.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like anything.
This is a duodenum C shape. All of that is duodenum.
Okay, that's good. This is the duodenum. Remember I showed you? That's what he's pointing out.
This. Oh,
The two.
okay.
So bad.
Ileocecal valve. What's the function?
Why is this such an ugly picture?
Oh, it prevents fecal contents in the colon from entering the small intestine.
So basically prevents it from going backwards.
What's a valve, remember?
But you have this is page 4 of digestive system. If you have it in your manual, it's more clear in your manual.
It's not.
I'm just showing from my manual just to, so you can see it. But you have it in a printed copy, it's very clear.
So what kind of questions for the heart?
What is the digestive system?
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, said we not this time.
Is he just going over all of the things of the system, or is he giving us the answers?
I'll say we're just focus on what he's saying.
I think so. Oh, okay, so he switched it up.
Again, when you see that,
It's okay.
this is jejunum and here is ileum. Jejunum
Yeah.
and ileum, okay?
Small triangle.
When you see this model, that is
Appendix.
This is last part of ileum. This valve is this is cecum, all of it. Ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, right? Ending in inner canal and anus. And this should be the mesenteric proper.
Yes. And which one? Which
All
one?
the yellow is mesenteric proper.
What's that little white thing sticking out again?
It's the end of the ileum.
End of the ileum? Thank you.
What's in the back of the liver?
Esophagus. Oh no.
Gallbladder.
Inferior
What is
vesicular.
that?
Gallbladder.
What is that?
Cystic duct.
Hepatic.
Hepatic duct. Here,
Common bile duct.
Common bile duct.
Okay, hold.
What is it? How do you find that?
Cystic duct. Hepatic
So
duct.
cystic is on top?
Yeah.
Yes, it's that big,
Oh,
thick
okay.
one.
Correct.
What do you think?
Common the top is common is where you
Okay.
What is this?
Well, what's this so serious?
You got it?
For the usher.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
gallbladder.
I know what it is, it's just that I get confused which one's first. and
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
on
yeah.
top.
Cystic duct.
Yeah.
Hepatic
Common
duct.
I
hepatic
get confused
duct.
with everything else, but you
Just
know?
hepatic duct. And then when they join, now that's common bile duct.
Got it.
This is the common bile.
So a lot of digestive.
And that hole is the pancreatic duct?
The whole is,
The hole is the pancreatic duct?
or is it inferior?
No, it's the inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena
Oh, this
is
big
the
hole?
common bile duct.
I thought this,
And the hole on top?
the common bile duct is
This
the
is
circle.
inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava.
It's
Here,
the
inferior
little.
vena cava. Trans vertical in the back of the liver.
It's a little.
Okay.
Which is like this little.
Yeah, that's cool, right?
I don't want to freaking get an A.
This is
That's your name.
common bile.
You got
What
this.
is that?
Pancreas.
That is the pancreas. What is the white?
Pancreatic duct.
Pancreatic duct. What is this?
Duodenum.
What is this?
Spleen.
Spleen. This is the tail of the pancreas. Body of the pancreas. Here is the head of the pancreas. What is this again?
Duodenum.
Duodenum.
It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, so that whole tube is a
So
duodenum.
this will be duodenum. 491.
Right? That whole tube?
So in fact, if you study all the images and the labels in the lab
And that little
manual,
opening, what is
without
that?
me reviewing it, you should get 50 out of 50.
But what about the function?
It's really
What about
coming
the
well,
heart?
everything is here. Oh, the function.
Yes. Like for example, for that, only for the pharynx, we need to know the function. We need to know for the nasopharynx, oropharynx, or the
Yeah, what is the oropharynx? What's the function of the oropharynx?
It helps with air
It's
The star is just to the very.
That's the mouth.
Transport,
The
transport,
foot is doing what in the pharynx?
transport food to the stomach.
It's
That's
allowing
what
for
esophagus.
food and air.
I thought we didn't.
Food and air to your esophagus.
I thought we didn't have to know the function of those.
All these definitions are
On the
long.
pharynx.
Travels down to the
Because it
pharynx
says
to
learn the
esophagus.
functions of the structures marked with a star. And you have
Yeah.
pharynx that's marked with a star.
No, oral pharynx.
Not
Because
nasopharynx,
if you said a
not
pharynx, it was
larynx,
wrong.
laryngeal,
It's
laryngeal,
just-
it goes from the mouth to the pharynx.
Yeah, it helps transport.
How about
food.
transport?
How about?
So pharynx transports food.
For esophagus.
Wait, hold on, let
We
me
start,
see.
we start.
What?
How about this
How does it say?
this thing here? What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Epiglottis, epiglottis.
They said
What?
that,
Epiglottis.
Epiglottis function?
It's
Fish.
flowing
they said the feet are flowing into the airway.
Oh,
Routing air and food.
which is
And
true.
what?
Routing air and food. Epiglottis
Uh-huh.
is routing air and food.
Routing air and food.
Maybe write that.
Where is it?
Routing?
I need simplified definitions like
Routing?
this. Huh?
Routing?
Routing.
Oh, routing.
Routing air and food?
What is that?
Routing air and food, yes.
I feel like 4 sentences really.
It closes to allow food to
To
pass
pass
through the
by
esophagus and
without
not
moving.
enter
It's
airway.
like a pinball machine, right? Like
I don't know. Fucking
Let's
30
go.
seconds.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Epiglottis.
What cartridge is that?
the thyroid cartilage.
What cartridge is that?
Crinocoid cartilage.
Cricoid.
What cartridge is that?
Epiglottis.
Epiglottis.
That's the epiglottis.
Cartilaginous rings.
Cartilaginous
Yeah.
rings.
Trachea.
That's your trachea.
Here is beginning of trachea.
Vocal cords.
So I have a question on that for the cartilage. I know it's like the rings are the thing, but if you're pointing at, like, would it be trachea? Like, what would you be pointing at on the model on the right if it's trachea, and what would you be pointing if it's the rings?
That's
True.
I think inside would be trachea.
What do we
If
need?
cartilaginous rings only are under the microscope. If I'm
Oh.
pointing here, if you write trachea.
Then what do
Oh,
you
so it'd just be trachea then.
What about the outside? It's not the cartilaginous.
So are you pointing there?
Yes, but that's trachea.
It's so tricky.
So just trachea.
So, yeah.
Okay, okay. So not the rings then. Alright.
Fuck the ring.
I think we covered that before.
Yeah.
Okay, that means this one. Whose hand is this? Oh, it's not mine. I thought, I'm moving my hand and it's not moving. Okay, cover the ground.
Ooh, yes. Let's go.
Tell us what we did all what we don't do.
Tell us everything right now.
Let me see.
Wait, is that all fair game right there? All those?
No. What are we talking about? Let's narrow it down.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Please. Let's narrow it down. How many questions in the front and how many questions in the back?
What was this one?
I don't know the number of questions.
I'm gonna put stars on
You
the
think there's more
I
than
can
10?
tell you how many
You
questions.
have the key.
Can you please do it?
I know you have the key, Professor. Please.
Can you please let us know what to concentrate on the heart, like?
Yeah, 'cause it's so much.
Professor, it's a lot.
Let him check the key. Let him check the key.
Nah, I don't think so.
Nah, I don't think it's everything. They're freaking
They
tripping.
just know it all.
They're tripping. Yeah.
Like there's so much of this stuff.
So for the veins, it's just the arms.
Basically, just knowing like the order.
What about the
For real,
oracles?
Like, for real.
Well,
No,
that
seriously.
one, but I feel like the other ones still need to know like radial, median, you know? But I'm saying in terms of like branches,
Like,
this
I don't know what
one's
This
the
one?
anterior,
And then what else did you
intraventricular sulcus is.
I think this one, like radial order, pinky,
which one?
thumb.
The
Oh,
anterior
okay.
And I think
intraventricular
honestly that's
sulcus.
about it besides the leg.
It's
You know,
the.
you went over the leg,
Yeah, I heard it.
but that's about
But
it.
the leg is like very little. Like,
Yeah, it's not a lot.
like just this,
The
this.
interventricular.
And then this.
Branches of the heart. Branches of the heart.
Yes, so
Five?
now he's counting still.